for my stew. For my stew, you can see we have blended tomatoes and red peppers here. I've cooked them already. Then here we have tin tomatoes. I'll be using 2. We have some chopped onions, red onions. And then in here we have our spices. We have a bay leaf, some nutmeg, some rosemary, some Maggi cube, some paprika, and some thyme. And then here we have our spices. This is what I do. I always blend my spices and keep in the fridge. They are cooked spices. We have ginger, garlic, and some parsley, some celery that I blended together, and then I cook them and store them in the fridge. So I'll be making use of this. Then we have salt. Here we have our meat. Today I'll be using goat meat and some shaki as well. You can see shaki or tripe, so whatever you call it. And then here we have the stock I'll be using. So this is all my ingredients for my stew. And then now my pot is already here. I'm about to put my vegetable oil to start cooking.